Hey, what's up guys? This is Vincent, and in this Lightroom Classic tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use presets. So let's get started. This photo that I have in front of me has no adjustments, so I'm going to apply a preset to it by opening up the preset section on the left-hand side of Lightroom Classic. And I'm going to minimize this navigator section so I can see the presets better. The presets in Lightroom Classic, they are all grouped, and these are the default presets. If some of your presets are missing, you may want to click on this plus sign, click on Manage Presets, and make sure they're all loaded. By default, this version of Lightroom Classic did not have these classic presets loaded. So I'm just going to cancel out of here. And the presets here, they're all grouped together. So let's say, for example, I want to apply this style cinematic. I can open it up by clicking on the triangle here. And these are the presets. And if I move my mouse over the presets, you can see the image changing with a preview of the preset. And if I want to apply the preset, I can just click on it. And some of the presets, you can adjust the strength or the intensity or the opacity of it. So I can decrease it or I can increase it. And now with this preset, it has different adjustment settings applied to it. So this one has the tone curve applied, color mixer, color grading, detail, and the effects panel. And after you choose a preset, it's best to apply your own custom settings if you're not happy with the preset. So let's say, for example, this image here, the tone curve, I don't like it, so I'll reset it, and then I can increase the tone curve like this and make it a little bit better to my preference. And as you can see, by adjusting the preset, this area or this amount slider is grayed out. Now I want to show you some of the adaptive presets. So I'm going to go to this photo right here of a landscape, and these adaptive presets have masking saved or AI masking saved. So for example, this one here, actually I'll go to adaptive sky. If I click on blue drama, it changed the sky here. If I click on dark drama, it changed the sky here. And as you can see, I can go to the mask here and click on this mask, and this is the sky or the masking area that was applied to the image with the preset, which is pretty cool and it was pretty quick. Another thing is I'm going to reset this photo, and now I'm going to show you how to create a preset. So I'm just going to make some basic adjustments. Usually when you go and make a preset, you don't want to go overboard with the exposure because you don't know if a future photo that a preset is applied to is exposed properly. So if you do apply some exposure or tonal changes, you want to make it very subtle and let the user make final adjustments after applying the preset. So here I'm just going to make some subtle changes, decrease the midtones, change this, put a little cyan color to this, and then I'm going to click on the effects panel and apply a vignette to it. So this is my dark preset that I have here, and if I want, I can save this preset by going to the plus sign, create preset, dark teal, and now you have the option of saving which adjustments you want. I'll just leave the default adjustments selected. I'll click create, and here is my dark teal preset. If I want, I can go to a different preset, let's say season winter, and then I can go back to my dark teal one, and here it is. And now if I want to import a preset, I can click on the plus sign, I can click on import preset, and this is a preset that I made earlier. It's usually an XMP file. So I'm just going to click on import, and here it is. This is my preset that I made earlier. Now for this dark teal preset, if I want to export it, I can right click on it with my mouse, click on export, and then I can name it and save it wherever I want in my Windows Explorer or Mac Finder. And that's pretty much it for presets. So when you create a preset, you just got to group it, make sure you don't go overboard with the exposure. Otherwise, future photos may have problems with your preset. So just make subtle changes when you're saving a preset. Personally, I don't use presets because I usually work one image at a time, and I like making my own adjustment settings. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, check out my photography on Instagram, and as always, live easy, sleep breezy, and stay lovely.